I didn't think research or getting this ready would be the process that it was, because we came up with this idea. Like Dr. Rand said, we had this really cool lab in plant ecology that I just wanted to kind of do a further step. I was really curious about it. And she goes, let's do it. My poster presentation is about dwarf mistletoe and the effects of dwarf mistletoe. Pretty much what I wanted to show is that there's an indirect connection between an above ground parasite like dwarf mistletoe and the community and structures and the way nutrients cycle down beneath the canopy. So to study this, what Dr. Duran and I did was we took soil samples from infected trees and non-infected trees.
The way Brian came up with this project was, it was stemmed off of one of our classes. So I taught plant ecology last year, and Ryan took plant ecology with me. We do a semester-long project looking at different aspects of infection on the ecology of hosts. One of the things that his group decided to look at was nutrient content, and we did a really very simple qualitative analysis. So we're going to use a technique called qPCR, or real-time PCR, to look at relative abundances of these three different domains: bacteria, archaea, and fungi. Ryan's already starting to work on that. He's extracted DNA from soil samples, and we're hoping to maybe get started on the real-time PCR next week, right?
The next step for me right now is I spent the last, I'll probably say last 4 months applying to graduate school programs. Dr. Duran has helped me along the way, trying to find out, what's the best advice, because, she went through it too. And so I started looking into small schools, and I found Adams State, where, classroom sizes, I think max in Gen Bio I had 30, but most of my other classes I had maybe 12 or less. And that helps you develop kind of more as a student, because it's less from what's in the book and it's more critical thinking. I would say that's like one of the biggest features of Adams State that I liked. And the next was just like the personal connection you have with your professors. And so it kind of gives you like more courage, like the first time I sent in an email to a grad school professor, you hope for the best. And I ended up getting turned down, which, I was like, oh my gosh, I got turned down. So of course, I come running to Dr. Duran. She goes, you know what, Ryan? It happens to all of us. Regardless of what you think, rejection, it happens, and it's how you deal with it that gets you through. And it's that personal connection, she's a professor, and then, I also know her as a person, and she can help me get through hard things, like trying to get into grad school. Dr. Ran's always there, and all the professors and staff, in fact, are always there saying, hey, same thing happened to us. You just gotta kind of buck up and just, try again.